kitchen remodel ideas and important tips. Remodeling your kitchen is probably the most important piece of home decoration you can do. There is no shortage of pictures of elegant and tempting kitchen remodel ideas all over the internet, TV adverts and the ubiquitous home magazines. Funny thing about those snails pictures though is that they all look like small kitchens. It is a limitation of photography that the camera can only capture 2 walls and a section of the ceiling and floor of any kitchen remodel set. A top tip for your kitchen remodel ideas is to make use of all-round picture simulation software so that you see your kitchen plan realized as though you stand in the center and turn full circle. You will see features and spot anomalies that you didn't imagine existed when looking at a 2-dimensional glossy film set picture.